Happy birthday to you.
Oh, wait, hold on. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hannah. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Okay, Zoe, blow out the candles for Hannah. Quick.
Yay.
More. Do it again. Quick. Do it again.
Yeah, you're doing it.
Keep going. All right. Yay. Everyone wave bye.
What?
What?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. I'm Kate. I wish we could. Mom, love from Mom.
Hi, Grandma.
Can you say hi, Hannah? Say hi, Hannah.
Hi, Hannah.
Hi.
Happy birthday. Hi. Happy birthday.
No.
Can you get Lincoln in there?
Yeah, I think I can get Lincoln in here.
Get my feet slowly out of the way.
What's up, bud?
Go look.
How's it going?
He said, Hannah, I am so comfortable.
He was here the whole time, yeah. He was singing the loudest.
My tummy's hungry again.
All right.
Oh,
really? That's
because there's a cake.